Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. My name is MDEVAAN and I'm doing a simple Nigerian breakfast recipe this morning. This is a very casual everyday normal breakfast in a Nigerian home. So the first thing I'm going to do is prepare our chili fried eggs. I'm going to break 2 eggs because I'm using just about 4 bread buns. I'm going to break 2 eggs and then seasoning, a little bit of salt. I'm using chili, obviously they're chili fried eggs. So I'm going to use a lot of chili and then cut up a few onions to add a bit of taste and also to spice up the eggs as well, because the main ingredient of this egg today is just pure chili. Very hot, very spicy. And our water is already boiling for our beverage. You can use any beverage of your choice. Yeah, so the next thing we're going to do is fry this in vegetable oil. Nothing complicated, just gonna pour it and wait for everything to fry. Depending on how you like your fried eggs. If you like dry fried eggs, then you can let this dry properly, but if not, turn them while they are running so that you still have that stretchy feel. Okay, and you guys, I promise I don't parboil chicken every day. It just so happens that when I'm in the kitchen, I want to do everything at the same time. So, and then obviously you guys know I'm on a chicken diet, plus most of my orders have to do with chicken, so I end up cooking chicken most of the time. So our eggs are done. The next thing we're going to do is cut this super fresh bread that was delivered to me this morning from Toastel Cakes and Pastries. You guys, I love hot bread. Hot bread just makes everything better. Like hot bread in the morning, like you wake up, you didn't have to bake it, you just saw hot bread. That is everything. So next, we're just going to pat your bread. You don't even need a knife for this. Like if you're very passionate about the bread. If you're very passionate about the bread, you don't even need knife. You just need to make it whole and drop your eggs and you're ready and good to go. Thank you so much for watching. Have you subscribed? Because I give good content if I say so myself. Please hit the subscribe button and let me know when last you had this breakfast. Mwah.